Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love and appreciate you all. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to use this app to get free USA/UK phone numbers for WhatsApp verifications and other online verifications. Have you ever faced issues with needing a second phone number for online registrations or worried about privacy when sharing your personal number? Well, worry no more. This tutorial will solve that problem for you. Stick around because I'll not only show you how to get a free phone number, but also share tips to maximize your experience with the app. And yes, I'll leave a link in the description below to download and install the app right away. So, let's jump right in without wasting time. Getting started. The first step is straightforward. Download and install the app. Use the link in the description to download the app. It's lightweight and installs quickly. Register your account. Open the app and follow the easy on-screen instructions to register. Use a valid email address. This is important because some features may require email verification for added security. Explore the app's interface. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find these options. Contact menu. This is where you manage your contacts. Message. Use this to send and receive messages. Call. Make and receive calls from your assigned number. Number menu. This is the key feature we'll be focusing on today. More. Access additional settings and features. Accessing the number menu. Let's get to the exciting part: choosing your free number. Click on the number menu. This is your gateway to selecting an international phone number. Select international phone number. From the options, choose the country whose number you need. You can select from United States, United Kingdom, Canada. For this tutorial, we'll go with the United States option, but the process works the same way for other countries. Choosing a free phone number. After selecting the United States, 3 options appear: nearby area code, random numbers, get custom number. For simplicity, select nearby area code and tap OK. This will generate a list of phone numbers for the area code closest to you. Browse the options provided. Some numbers may have payment icons, indicating they require a subscription fee. Typical options include yearly fees, monthly fees starting at $4.99 per month. To bypass these fees, select the More option button and choose 1,200 credits/year. Earning credits for free. Now, let's talk about how to earn credits to claim your free number. Tap Earn More Credit. Instead of purchasing credits, you can perform tasks to earn them. Credit earning options. Watch video ads. Each video earns you 0.3 credits. These ads are short and easy to watch in your spare time. Complete offers. Offers can reward anywhere from 5 to 100 credits. These include signing up for free trials, answering surveys, or downloading recommended apps. Daily check-in. Log in daily and tap check-in now to claim free credits. Consistency pays off. Build your balance effortlessly over time. Additional options. Watch videos or download apps. Watching videos earns 0.5 credits. Downloading certain apps earns you up to 200 credits instantly. Play games. Many games offer rewards of up to 100 credits. Simply tap Start Game, play, and claim your reward. Referral program. Invite friends via SMS, email, or a unique referral link. Earn 20 credits for each friend that registers and uses the app. Special offers. Some offers provide as much as 500 credits. These are worth checking out regularly. Pro tips for fast earning. To maximize your time and credits. Prioritize high-reward tasks. Focus on downloading apps and completing special offers. Use downtime wisely. Watch video ads during breaks or while multitasking. Daily consistency. Log in every day. It only takes a few seconds and ensures steady credit accumulation. Getting your phone number. Once you've earned the required 1,200 credits, return to the nearby area code section. Select your desired phone number from the list. Tap Continue, and you're all set. Party Popper, congratulations! You now own a free USA phone number. This number can be used for WhatsApp verifications, other online verifications, as a secondary number for privacy and convenience. Bonus tips for using your number. Protect your account. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid misuse. Stick to legitimate uses to ensure your number remains active. Monitor your credits. Keep earning credits regularly to maintain access to premium features. Closing remarks. And that's it. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I hope this tutorial was not only helpful but also empowering. With this app, getting a reliable and free number has never been easier. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with friends who might need a free USA/UK phone number. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials like this one. Click the link in the description below to get started today. And as always, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover something specific in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.